Hello everyone, I hope all of you are safe. Today we are going to make masks. Yes, these are very important in this epidemic. We are going to use old cloth bags to make this mask. So let's begin. To make this mask, you will need needle and thread, scissors and cloth bag. Take any old cloth bag and fold it into half and then cut it. Here I have cut a cloth bag. This piece is 19 centimeter by 17 centimeter. Now, after cutting this piece, we have to fold it. Leave some space here and then start pleating this cloth piece like this. As you fold it, keep pressing it. Now, with the help of a needle, start sewing this pleats. Go. After stitching on both sides, the mask will look like this. Now we are going to cover these sides. For that, use small piece from the bag and cut 2 strips out of it. Now fold the strip in this manner and place the mask here. Now stitch this with the mask. Do this process with both the sides. After stitching up both the sides, the mask will look like this. Now let's cut the extra cloth. Now from the remaining bag, we need to cut strips. Cut here Now you will have 4 strips. Stitch each strip at the end of the mask, and this is the end result we get. You can make 4 masks out of one bag. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and please share this video with your friends and your family. It will be helpful. Thank you very much.